What is the true value of every human being? It is often said that we are not born to fade away like grains of anonymous sand. We are born to leave a mark on this earth and in the hearts of others. From the moment we arrive in this life until the day it ends, each of us carries our own unique value and personal mission. There are more than 7 billion people in the world, and yet no one can ever be exactly the same as another, not even identical twins. We all differ in appearance, in thoughts, and in our inner values. Every person is a unique creation whose vary. Existence carries meaning and purpose. The greatest goal in life is not to waste our talents or devote ourselves entirely to external things that will eventually be left behind. What we must nurture are the qualities we can carry with us into the timeless journey ahead. So what, then, is the true value of a person? Self-worth is a familiar concept, but few truly understand it. Many of us struggle to recognize our own value. Only when we discover and understand our own worth can we shine. Only then can we build unshakable confidence. Life is a long journey of searching for and affirming our value. But is our worth defined by material achievements, social status, or the superficial things we chase? The value of a person is never measured by rank or wealth, but by the benefit they bring to others and to society. Beyond the work we do to survive, our value is cultivated daily through learning, growth, and the development of our inner world. If we cannot build value within ourselves, we cannot create value for others. The more qualities we cultivate, knowledge, character, purposeful living, the more likely we are to succeed. Life is like a broad canvas, and we should paint it with every meaningful color we possess. We do not get to choose our beginning, but we choose how we live, and we choose the value we create. Each of us is blessed simply to have been born. Whether our life becomes meaningful depends entirely on us. The world is vast and unpredictable. Along the way, we encounter difficulties, temptations, and challenges. In those moments, we may feel helpless, worthless, or question whether we still have any value after failing many times. Yet every person is unique. Each of us has talents and inherent potential waiting to be discovered. What we need is patience and perseverance to uncover our true worth. Self-worth is not measured by size or quantity. It is revealed in our character and in the meaningful outcomes we create. Our value is not determined by the wealth or status of the family we are born into. Wealth or poverty at birth does not define us. Value is built over time through effort, experience, persistence, and growth. Material wealth is temporary. It changes. We cannot choose our origin, but we can choose how to live. Each of us grows up under different circumstances, but regardless of comfort or hardship, our upbringing gave us the foundation to become who we are today. Different origins do not make people superior or inferior. What matters is how we adapt to our circumstances and use them to develop our own value. Our value also does not lie solely in the nature of our work. Every profession, whether highly educated fields like medicine, architecture, teaching, or manual labor like construction, street vending, or sanitation, has dignity. All jobs exist because society needs them, and all contribute in essential ways. As long as the work is lawful and moral, it deserves respect. We cannot choose our appearance or natural abilities, but we can choose our attitude and how we treat others. You may not be beautiful or exceptionally talented, but if you have kindness, warmth, and a willingness to help others, that is your value. If you use your abilities to serve your community, that is your value. Value is not measured in size. What matters is that it brings peace to your heart and makes life better for others. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses, improving your shortcomings, and nurturing confidence, these all increase your self-worth. Your value lies not in your birthplace or parentage, but in the choices you make. With persistent effort, even an ordinary person can achieve great aspiration. Recognizing mistakes and correcting them strengthens your value. True worth is built through consistent effort and inner resilience. It has no starting limit and no ending point. Value is revealed over time. Success is never easy. Challenges help reveal our true character and worth. We must not judge others superficially. Value appears gradually through a person's journey, actions, and moral growth. We build value through virtues like kindness, diligence, honesty, compassion, humility, respect, and integrity. Even small things, how we walk, speak, behave, and treat others, reflect our inner worth. We are like gems. The more we are polished by experience and self-discipline, the brighter we shine. Life is full of mysteries. Every closed door leads to another opportunity. Confidence and self-respect are essential parts of self-worth. Each of us is a completely unique being. No two people are identical, and this uniqueness is our inherent value. If we learn to appreciate ourselves, honor our uniqueness, and strive to grow, we are already building our self-worth. Confidence allows us to recognize opportunities and move forward. Without confidence, people fail to shine, even if they possess potential. From now, even as students, we must learn to be creative, confident, and respectful of our values so we may become examples for others. Stoic teachings emphasize the importance of virtue and moral character. Beauty fades, wealth fluctuates, positions change, but virtue remains. Our thoughts shape our outward character. A kind heart becomes a gentle appearance. A dark heart becomes harsh and unapproachable. Human beings are born with an inherent goodness. Kindness is the highest and most original value. Over time, kindness grows into wisdom, courage, loyalty, integrity, and righteousness. Stoic teachings guide us toward a path of upright moral development. Value also rises from our past, present, and future. Those who created goodness in past lives naturally receive blessings in this one. Those who cultivate virtue in the present increase their value even before future rewards appear. And we must never underestimate the potential of a child or a humble novice, for their future may hold greatness. Understanding our value means constantly working to refine and elevate ourselves. Our worth lies not in what we possess, but in what we create, contribute, and leave behind. Life is short. Time is precious. Only by doing meaningful things can we express our true value. Thank you for listening. May you receive positive energy and live a peaceful, meaningful life. Closing message, Stoicism Philosophy Daily. Stoicism Philosophy Daily. We share stories, reflections, and timeless Stoic-inspired wisdom to help you live with clarity, purpose, and inner strength. Our mission is to guide you toward understanding your own value and building a life rooted in virtue, resilience, and quiet confidence. May each message inspire you to become the strongest and most authentic version of yourself.